Meaning of fossil fuel.
Fossil fuel.
Fossil fuel.
Fossil fuel.
Fossil fuel. Fossil fuels are natural resources that were formed from the remains of dead plants and animals over millions of years. They include coal, oil, and natural gas. These fuels are non-renewable and are being used at a much faster rate than they can be replenished.
Fossil fuel combustion is a major source of greenhouse gas emissions, which contribute to climate change and air pollution.
To mitigate these negative impacts, there is a growing push to transition to cleaner and more sustainable forms of energy.